All right, so I'm gonna show you how to deplug a map sensor connector, depin it actually. I'm gonna show you how to depin the map sensor connector. So you can use a pin connector removal tool, but with this plug it's not really necessary. You can use a very small little flathead screwdriver if you want to, or just like a pick, but I'll show you. Here you go. So don't mind my wires. I've been retracing the wires back and taking off the tape to see if there's been anything that's kind of frayed or pinched or anything like that. So just don't mind the wires. This all will be taped up like this stuff right here on your car if you haven't messed with it. So I've been having a problem with my map sensor connector, and so I'll show you how to disconnect the pins from the sensor. Here you go. So just remove your map sensor like that, and this is your intake manifold right here, everyone, and your map sensor right here. And then from there, this is going to be difficult with two hands, so I'm not going to do it. But this little purple pin right here, maybe I'll do this on video. Basically, here, let me put it down, put the video down. Just, maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, let me see here, right there. I'm just gonna do this with two hands. So you're gonna slide this pin out, this purple pin, and I'll show you right now. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna put this down right here. Okay, so you can take a little screwdriver and just put it in right there, put it in, and just pop it back. And this clip, it's basically a clip to, and it just slides out like that. Do not lose this clip. Do not lose that clip. Sorry about that. I accidentally pressed the wrong button on my phone. Anyway, so do not lose that clip right there. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, because if you lose that clip, you're gonna need to get a new connector. They're super cheap, $5.33. No, $5.55 after tax at the dealership. But most likely they're not gonna have it in stock, so you're gonna have to wait a few days to get the clip. So anyway, so most people, would think you push something in there to release the pin. No, that's not right. So on this connector, inside those little grooves right there, all it is a little tab. That's all it is. And all you do, like if this was if this was a flathead screwdriver, I would just stick it in there, push down, and then push back, and that plug will literally pop out. Every single one. Easiest thing, guys. It took me just like 20 minutes to figure it out because I thought I had to go in from there. That's not the case. It was in from there. And you just pop it in, boop, and push it out, and it literally comes right out. So I'll put this down, then I'll depin one, and then I'll pull it out on video for you here in just a second. All right, let's see how fast that was. So anyways, boom, and look at that, it pops out. I'm doing this with one hand, everyone, one hand. So there it is, and then you just inspect your pins, get a new plug, and then put the pins back in. Just make sure that you put the pins in their right spot. So take a picture before, and then put them in their right spots when you get the new plug. And so the reason why I needed to get a new plug, because inside there, for some reason my rubber washer is not in there. I have no idea why. And then on top of that, this clip up here is kind of junk. So all these issues been happening with my car. So anyways, just want to give you an idea on how to do that. Super easy, guys, super easy. So don't be afraid to do the work yourself. It says paying someone else to do it. That's what YouTube videos are for. All right, so with that being said, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, that you can work on your cars a little bit more, get to know them a little bit more, and you know, hopefully you don't have to do this job, but if you do, super easy. And all the other plugs are pretty much the same on the VWs, where they have a little clip to hold it in, usually purple, and then yeah, and then you just depin the plugs. I've gone through like several plugs on the car, and they look all the same. They're different style plugs, but the way to get the pins out is pretty similar to each other. So anyways, yeah, I say that a lot, but anyways. And if you have an issue, you can always get this little device. It's pretty awesome. I think I got it for like 14 bucks at the auto parts store. And it's a depinner tool for electrical connectors, and it has all these cool little functions. It makes life a lot easier. So there you go. Once again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, send it to your friends. All right, peace out.